So I've got the door locked. I saw the tip that getting the bung off behind here and getting like an Allen key in to pull this bit in the door lock down. That's actually the handle actuator if the handle comes unstuck, which isn't the problem. At the moment, as you can see, this is stuck down. So it's stuck down like this, so we need to lift this up. I can do this by pulling up this button with some pliers, so I can pull up, and then that lifts this. Now, to be able to get the lock unlocked, there's this. Now, if you can see, I've pulled the door card back, and actually you can see, although not very well on this video, I'll take some photos. You can see the top of this green thing and the top of this flap, so we need to pop this open, get a piece of wire we need to pop this open from above, get a piece of wire in, hook this, and then pull it back. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So this is a lock in a lock position, and to be able to unlock it, you need to flip this door open, and then this plastic bit behind here needs to slide down to unlock it all. So with your coat hanger, through the gap in the window, I folded it like this, and I just went down, twisted it this way, lifted it up to get over the top of it. Oh. Twisted it over, and then pushed it down, and that unlocked everything. And then I was able to, by pushing down there, that unlocked everything, and I was able to open the door and get in.